what is the best niche for affiliate marketing? Hi, my name is Pankaj Singh, and in this video, I'm gonna reveal my best niche for affiliate marketing. Right? So, guys, here I see that most marketers, or especially those who are new, they struggle a lot to pick a niche. They keep saying, "Hey, I don't know what's my niche or how to choose a profitable niche." Right? So, guys, here in this video, I'm gonna reveal that, right? What's the best niche that you can go for, right? But guys, before telling this, I just want to say that, guys, if you are a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business, then yes, I would highly recommend you go and read my ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook, I have reviewed everything that you need to know to start your affiliate marketing business step by step. So download the digital link, go and read my ebook, right? So now here, without that delay, let me reveal to you my best niche, guys, right? So now here, one more thing that I would say, before picking any niche, you must consider that, guys, that you must have passion in that niche. This is very, very important, and you have heard that a lot, that go and pick a niche where you have passion. So here, yes, same thing I would say, yes, first thing, you need to consider that whenever you are going to pick a niche, consider that whether there is passion or not. Mean to say, you have interest or not, right? So this is the first condition, right? But second thing is that, yes, we have passion, we have interest, but guys, you tell me, if there is no money, if there is no demand in that niche, then what's the benefit of picking that niche, right? So yes, when you are going to pick a niche, then yes, you must also consider that, yes, whether you can make money from that niche or not, whether there is money or not, whether there is demand or not, guys, right? Guys, you tell me, you have passion, you have interest in that niche, but there is no money, then why we are doing affiliate marketing business, guys, right? We are doing this affiliate marketing business for making money, right? So guys, that's why it is very, very important to consider these 2 points. Yes, first thing, you need to have passion, right? This is very, very important. And second thing, yes, the niche that you are going to pick, there must be demand, there must be money in that, right? So now here, what's my best niche, guys, that you can go for? So guys, here I would say my best niche is make money online. Guys, you see that there are so many people in the world, what they are doing, what they are looking for, they want to make money, guys. And if I make it more specific, they want to make money online. If I make it more specific, they want to make money online doing affiliate marketing. So now this is my niche, guys. This is my specific niche. How to make money online doing affiliate marketing. Yes, make money online is broad niche. Make money online doing affiliate marketing is more specific niche, guys, right? So guys, you can see people go on Google, they search how to make money online. People go on YouTube, they search how to make money online doing affiliate marketing, right? And yes, if I make it more specific, or guys, if I want to make it more specific, then yes, what I can do here, learn how to make money online doing affiliate marketing without spending a dime on ads, like, or you can say with free traffic. So now this is more specific, guys, right? So guys, here my niche, or guys, my best niche is, that is make money online doing affiliate marketing. So yes, you can go with that niche, guys, because guys, there is demand in that market, because there are so many people, those who are looking for how to make money online doing affiliate marketing. So yes, if you want to go with that niche, then yes, you can go with that niche without any hesitation, without any doubt. And yes, in that niche, there are so many products, or can say courses, online courses and training that teaches you how to make money online doing affiliate marketing. So yes, you can be the affiliate of any course, right? And you can start promoting that very course that teaches you that how to make money online doing affiliate marketing, and you can make money by promoting that very product, guys, right? So for that you can go to you can say Warrior Plus, or you can go to ClickBank, right? So yes, there you can go and create your account, become an affiliate, and yes, pick the product that teaches how to make money online doing affiliate marketing, or how to make money online, right? And go and start promoting it, guys, right? So this is my niche, guys. This is my best niche, and this is making me money, guys, right? So same thing, guys, you can do, guys, right? But guys, here is my disclaimer, guys, right? There is no guarantee that you will be making money, right? But yeah, it is working for me, so there is no guarantee, very frankly. Everything depends on your efforts and your action, right? So I don't know how you are taking your niche, taking your efforts, guys, right? So guys, that's it, guys, right? Now you know my best niche for affiliate marketing, right? And yes, do let me know, guys, if you have any questions. I will try my level best to answer you. You can ask your question down below. I will try my level best to answer you, guys, right? And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then yes, go and please subscribe to my channel, and yes, down below there is also bell notification button. So go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right, guys? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, right? So thank you so much for watching. I will have a nice day. Bye bye.